Hey beauties, it's me Evie and it's February, and if you can see in the windows there's still a little white out there, and so it is Ipsy time. I just love this color of the bag, the little purple and stuff on the back. Anyway, that's just the packaging. We can get right on into the Ipsy. It come in this little bag. It's so cute with a little heart. It reminds me of, like, I don't know, pink and hearts and black always remind me of Marilyn Monroe for some reason. But, yeah. So that's so pretty. It also reminds me of the Breakfast at Tiffany's, the Holly character. Holly Golightly, was that her name? I think so. I could be wrong, though. Anyway, this is just so cute. It's very textured, if you can see. I will definitely be using this. So, my aesthetic. So, this month, this beautiful February month, we are celebrating Black History Month. So, we have this card that we get in Ipsy. And it's showcasing these three beautiful ladies that have been in the beauty business. And I wanted to read this to y'all first, and then we'll jump into the products, okay? So, February 2024. Roses are red, violets are blue. It's the month of love, and we say, you do you. Sleep in for an extra hour. Take yourself on a date. Spoil yourself with beauty you've been coveting, especially from some of these stellar Black-owned brands. Wool spotlighting. Do whatever makes you feel unapologetically yourself, because after all, you're the love of your life. I thought that was so fitting for especially my channel and my followers. So beauties, you know that I love you so much, and I always am telling you to self-love, take time for yourself, and just love yourself, because you don't want to be 40 years old trying to do it. Trust. So let's jump into the products now. This did not fit in the bag, or I think it could have, but yeah, it could have, but they didn't. So this is Pear Nova Eyeshadow Palette, and this is a fairly new company. It was started in 2012, but then, like, I think they made like a store you could go in 2019, I believe. And it is vegan and cruelty free. This is made for all skin tones, and it's really beautiful. It has, well, these two shades are like my favorite. Would you like me to swatch them? I will swatch them because I want to see. Oh, that is a beautiful copper. Let me do that again. Ooh, that is really pretty. Very mauve-y. Trying to find a finger here. Okay, so this brown, this is very, very light, but you can build it. Do you see how I'm building it? It builds very, very well. I think the same thing with the darker brown. You can definitely build it. You could definitely use these two shades in like a smoky look. This is the gold, but it looks a little bit coppery too. Let's get this mustard yellow in there. So that is all the shades. I'm sorry there's like a shadow. That's all the shades. They're very beautiful. And you can use them all together. I'll be excited to use this and see exactly how well they blend and come together. The next thing we have is from the company Mo Beauty. So Mo Beauty, I love that. And this is a setting spray. Let's see how good it is, or how the mist is. Oh, it has a refreshing scent. It's like very refreshing, actually. But it is definitely a wet spray. It has a little bit of a shock back feature, but I like the smell very much. So the smell wins me over on this. This again is a Mo Beauty Set It Up setting spray. And yeah, if you like that wet feeling and like that you've had something put on your face, this would be good for you. Next thing we have here is a Real Her Celebrity Diversity Matte Lipstick. And it is in the shade Celebrity Diversity. Duh. So there it is, the sample size. And, oh, it has the brand written in it. Real Her. And, so there, you get a good amount of lipstick there. Oh, let's see. It's the perfect mauve. That's cool. I actually really like that color. The next thing we have is from Dr. Brandt. It's a eye cream. And you are, oh my God, y'all, I know I'm a little bit older than some of my viewers, but the writing on here, are you kidding me? Use AM and PM. This is what you're gonna get. It's a good little size of eye product. And the last product we have is from Feel. It's a probiotic moisturizer. Let's see. Where are you gonna see this at? So this says it decreases fine lines and increases skin elasticity. So nice. It creates magic. So that is our Ipsy. Again, we got the cutest little bag and a full-size palette, basically. So I'm really happy with this. Remember your Glam Bag, which we just went through, is 5 deluxe size samples, which you saw that the palette you got was full size, basically. A subscriber gets to choose one of the products in your Ipsy bag. Every Ipsy bag we get can be up to $70, and we only pay $14 a month. That's a real bargain. You get to try out products that you normally wouldn't try out, and you're not stuck with a big version of it either if you want to just use it to check it out. So I think Glam Bags are great, especially for beginning makeup people, because you don't, like, when you're just getting into makeup, you need to find what is for you and not just buy what we're telling you to buy. So this would be great for like teenagers to get, or women that maybe didn't wear makeup as younger kids and just wants to get into like skincare, makeup, and they want to find what brands really hit home for them. So I hope you're going to hit that home run and use my code, which is in the description, to get your friend or your loved one or yourself for self-love for a subscription for a Glam Bag. It comes to your doorstep every month. Until next time, happy February. Lots of love and hearts for everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I would love you to comment. So I will see you next time. Remember, you're loved.